How to set or reset your service interval reminder in your Hyundai vehicle. For a vehicle with an active BlueLink account, go to BlueLink and press Maintenance. Here you'll see the remaining miles or days until your next recommended maintenance should be performed. For vehicles without an active BlueLink account, you can access this information on the infotainment screen or cluster menu depending on the model and trim. If you have the 10.25-inch screen or larger, first go to Setup, then Vehicle, scroll down to Cluster, and then press Service Interval. Here you can toggle the service interval on and off and change the distance or time criteria. For models without the larger infotainment systems, this will usually be accessed through the Cluster menu. Press the LCD control button on the steering wheel and use the toggle switch below it to navigate through the menus. First find the user settings and scroll down to Convenience. Then at the bottom you should find Service Interval. Here you can toggle the service interval on and off and change the distance or time criteria. Please see your owner's manual for complete recommended service intervals. So hopefully you found this video helpful in setting or resetting your service interval in your Hyundai vehicle. If you did, please hit that like button. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions on future video topics, please leave that all in the comment section below. I read every single one of them. And if you are new to the channel, please check out some of the other content and consider subscribing for more videos. So with all that being said, we'll see you in the next one.